RBI has come up with a new rule which is going to benefit India's homegrown Rupay network. So this is how the new rule goes. So now customers can not only choose the type of the credit card they want from the banks, but they also want to choose the network type. So payment network. So if you haven't heard about the payment network is the company that processes your money to the merchant whenever you are paying with a card. This is a simple. By doing this, they are going to get some commission. That's how the payment networks like Visa and MasterCard earn their own commission and also become profitable and make money. So now the homegrown Rupay comes with a zero MDR. That means neither merchant need to pay. But it is a good news for both the merchant and the customer, but not for the banks. Now you need to know about that. So banks, whenever issuing a payment, they also take commission, and also the partners, merchants, bank also gets some commission, and also the payment network gets some commission in this. So that's how the banks gets money from every swipe that we do. So now the Rupay does not do that, and also many people in India have 64% of the debit cards are in India is Rupay network, but when it comes to credit card it's less than 1%. To fill this gap, RBI come up with this new rule. But you may think, why would anyone would choose Visa or MasterCard over Rupay? So Rupay is one of the homegrown and it has the least international acceptance comparing to this both the chains. So but there is one thing that favors the Rupay credit card. It's an homegrown credit card, and also there is another thing like UPI. So with that, if you have a Rupay based credit card, you can link up it to the your UPI and spend your credit card limit into anyone who can accept the UPI, which is like a universal thing within India. Like almost everyone has UPI scanners in the merchant space. So this is a great news. That's the reason many of the people are right now going for the Rupay based credit card, but there are a few only credit cards that supports Rupay right now. So RBI's new rule says that every credit card needs to have the payment networks. So they may be mandatory for 3 or 4. So by doing this, they are just forcing the banks to issue in every network whichever the customers prefers. Right now, if someone has like me who has a Visa and also the MasterCard, then I'm going to choose whatever the credit card that I'm going to next, or any credit card upgradation, I will go with the Rupay network. Because even though I did not get any other things, I get a UPI thing, and with the MasterCard and Visa, with the remaining credit cards, I can do the international transactions, which is not a big thing for me. So this is how, if you have multiple credit cards, Rupay credit card is definitely going to be many people's pockets, and which is going to help the homegrown Rupay network, and that's what exactly RBI is wishing for. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.